Hey guys, okay, so I am busy writing a song, and the song's name is Little Bird, right? So I've been like working on it. It's like, yeah, I've been working on it, and I kind of just like wanted to practice it and just like show you guys the behind the scene and the preparation of it, I guess. So yeah, I'm actually really proud of this. So there's like a little bit of Billie Eilish coded in this, inspired by a lot of dark emotions, and I love Billie Eilish because she kind of taps into that like dark side and just like conveys it through music, and I really would love to do that. So I call this Little Bird, and I hope you guys like it. I mean, this is just a demo ish, or practicing, I guess. So yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, little bird, I know what they say. The sky wasn't safe, kept you in a cage. Oh, little bird, they drove you to insane. Told you it wasn't safe, lost you in a maze. Little bird, don't give up, don't give up. Spread your wings so you fly, little bird. Oh, little bird. Little bird, don't give up, you'll be fine. Spread your wings so you fly, oh little bird. Oh, little bird. Danger, danger, this would mean danger. Escape 'em. Freedom is that now. Tame down. Don't let yourself down, no little bird. Oh, little bird, I know what they say. The sky wasn't safe, kept you in a cage. Oh, little bird, they drove you to insane. Told you it wasn't safe, lost you in a maze. Oh, little bird, spread your wings and fly. You don't belong. I know what you are. Okay, that last part was just like a freestyle, so I'm gonna keep like working on it so that it gets better and better, especially I think like at the chorus ish. Like I have the vision of how I want it to be, so I just have to like perfect it. So by the time I actually record like a proper recording of it, I hope it comes out proper. So I'm just super excited that I wrote something and it's my words, and I know I'm not using an original beat, but I'm not mad at it. I'm just happy that I could use Billie Eilish beat and like put something on it. It might be bad, it might be good, but it's my work and I'm so proud of it. So little bird, little bird, little bird. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye.